Try this one simple trick and notice how people begin to show you respect. Most people walk into a room and no one notices. Their presence feels light, their energy easily forgotten. They fade into the background like whispers in noise, barely, making an impression on anyone around them. They speak, but no one listens. They act, but nothing really changes. They are there, but they do not lead. But then there are those who enter and everything shifts. People turn to look. Conversations stop. Even strangers can sense their presence. It is silent but strong, a magnetic pull that draws attention. It is not being loud or aggressive, just pure, clear strength. Respect comes before they say a word. So what is the difference? Just one simple adjustment. Try this once and notice how others respond to you. Here is the tough reality. Society respects strength, not weakness. No one respects someone who appears weak. The world runs on silent rankings, leaders and followers strong and submissive. Most people do not even realize they are being judged and sorted instantly. It happens at work, at social events, and in relationships, everywhere. You might believe you are judged by your words, but in truth it is your tone, your body, your presence. If you speak too fast, hesitate, or seem eager to please, you lose. People quickly place you below them, and once that label is stuck, it is nearly impossible to remove. You are at a disadvantage before anything begins. That is why some people instantly gain respect the moment they walk in, while others are ignored. It is not luck or charm. It is how people see you, and that is something you can change, if you know how. Now imagine this. What if changing just one part of your body language could flip the power balance immediately? One move that gets you respect before you say anything. Here it is. The power of the pause, the skill of owning silence. Weak people rush to speak. They talk quickly, afraid they will be left out. They ramble, trying to please. Their voices rise at the end of sentences, looking for approval. Instead of gaining respect, they give away their power. But powerful people, they pause. They let silence do the work. They make others wait, guess, and respond. They earn respect through presence. This is not a gimmick. It is a tool. One used by leaders, CEOs, and powerful men for centuries. Think about the most powerful people. From history, business, or movies. They do not rush, they do not fidget, they do not talk just to fill space. They carry control, and others feel it. When someone asks you a question, do not reply right away. Pause. Let the silence stretch a moment. Let it create pressure. Look at them directly. Feel their expectation. Then speak, slowly, clearly. Watch them react. Watch them lean in. See how their energy shifts toward you. This is not about tricks. It is human behavior. In nature, the strongest animal is not always the loudest. The lion does not roar to start a hunt. It moves silently, planning, waiting. The alpha does not shout. Its power is understood. True leaders do not seek attention. They attract it. Real strength moves with calm. It is slow and steady. Now think again. Who are the most powerful people you know? From life, from work, from film. They all share one trait. Calm control. They do not hurry. They pause. They let silence speak. When you pause, you send a message. I do not need to rush. I lead this interaction. People respect that. That is why powerful men do not chase attention. They set the pace. And this method, it is not just about psychology. It connects to our instincts. Silence makes others uncomfortable. Our brains hate not knowing. A pause makes people pay attention. They lean in, waiting for what you will say next. People value what is rare. So when you speak less but say more, your words become valuable. The less you ask for approval, the more people give it. Most people rush, trip over words, share too much. When you slow down, you stand out. You become more visible, more commanding. Your words carry weight. Fast talkers often seem unsure. But slow, clear speech shows confidence, intelligence, and control. It tells others, I lead here. Here is how to try this. Next time you talk to someone, a friend, a stranger, or someone in charge, and they ask something, pause for 2 seconds. Do not move, do not look away, hold the silence, then speak calm and clear. Watch their reaction. See how they shift in their seat. Notice how their eyes stay on you. Feel how the energy now follows you. Try it once. You will notice the change right away. Do it daily, and people will start treating you differently. Most people will ignore this advice. They will keep talking fast, looking for praise, chasing attention, and keep being ignored. But the ones who learn to pause, they rise. They stand out. They earn respect. The decision is yours. Try this today and tell us below. Did you feel the shift? And if you want more psychology tricks to take control in any situation, hit like and subscribe. Because this is just the start. Power is never handed over. It is taken. It is earned. Those who learn how power works, they rise. They stand above the rest. They are not forgotten. They are not invisible. Your power is in your voice, your posture, your presence. The ones who can control themselves can control everything. Next time you walk into a room, ask yourself, are you leading? Or are you just part of the noise? Remember, a pause is not just silence, it is power, it is a signal. It tells the world you are in charge. And those who learn to use it learn how to lead. So try it now, in your next talk. And when you feel that moment, when you see how others shift, you will know you have the power. Now listen. Dark mindset is not just a channel. It is a movement to make you stronger. Subscribe now, or stay weak forever. Your choice.